जब प्रिया आप किसी पेरेंट को लूज़ करते हैं या आप औलाद को लूज़ करते हैं, आई थिंक when you have a child together, I think it makes your bond extremely beautiful. But when you lose a child together, it makes your bond extremely beautiful also.
Yeah. Wow.
Because I think me and Asad, we've seen the worst now. So
you're right.
हम ये कहते हैं what else will we see? और चलो अल्लाह मियाँ आपकी मर्ज़ी. हर चीज़ का एंड मेरे पे और असद पे अब ये आ गया कि जो अल्लाह की मर्ज़ी है. बिकॉज जो अल्लाह की मर्ज़ी है वही है. I can't do anything about it. Yes, there's an extreme sense of loss, and I think I'm still grieving.
Did you feel guilty? Sometimes a lot of people blame themselves.
I did, हाँ, I did at a point. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि शायद मैंने सही खाया नहीं, शायद मैंने अपने आप को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया नहीं, शायद मुझे वेट लूज करना चाहिए था बिफोर कंसीविंग, शायद मुझे और पतले हो जाना चाहिए था, शायद मुझे विटामिन्स खाने चाहिए थे, शायद मुझे फॉलिक एसिड खाना चाहिए था. बट वो सब शायद होता है. अल्लाह मियाँ उसको भी औलाद देता है जिसको आप कहते हैं कि हाँ जो फिजिकली स्टेबल भी नहीं है, बट अल्लाह मियाँ ने जिसको देनी है, जिसको नवाजना है, वो देना है. जिसने जिससे लेनी है उससे लेना है.
Sometimes nature also. Sometimes this happens when nature understands that this baby or the fetus or whatever it is not going to be healthy, and that is why the body automatic. It's very hard for.
So when we were doing we were obviously when it happened, and after that, my father and everybody kept on saying कि क्या पता वो आगे जाके वो नहीं चीज़ें कर पाता जो नॉर्मल बच्चे कर पाते हैं. फिर क्या करते हैं हम, क्योंकि औलाद तो हमारी है, फिर हम क्या करते भी, हम उसको कुछ कर तो नहीं सकते थे. We had to keep him. But this is for a better future,
right,
for us, for him. I'm 120% sure about it. Yes. But what I think women should know more about is that you can have a short cervix, you can have missing amniotic fluid in your system, you can have a weak uterus, but all of these things you will never know before time. That's the beauty and the payback of it. Until unless a woman is pregnant, you cannot figure out these things. And when you're pregnant, this is a huge miracle. So try and take care of yourself mentally and physically as much as you can. Because जितना important आपका physical being है, उससे बढ़ के important आपकी mental being है. And loss तो I think सारी ज़िंदगी, I mean, I am a mother. And he was my firstborn.
Yeah.
So I mean,
will always be.
Yeah, I will always be.
He will always be. Aurangzeb will always be there. I love the name also.
Yeah. Thank
Beautiful
you.
name. I think
Thank
this
you.
is yeah, okay. So I'm blessing you. God bless you, mashallah. I see this, and I think whatever you've just said is going to go a long way. So everyone who's watching needs to listen to this. Watch out, be healthy, be safe, be confident, and
one more thing that I'd like to add is that I know that loss brings you to a point जहाँ पर you don't want to do anything again or try anything again, or you are scared of getting attached to people again, is because you think that this might ये फिर से वही होगा जो पहले हुआ है. But I think that's the break even point where you have to step up and be like, no, even if I'm going to fall again, I will not stop trying, and I will not give up on whatever I think will happen. I have to keep on going. इस जद्दोजहद का नाम ही I think ज़िंदगी है.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because if there's no movement, there's no constant hustle, then there's no life.
Yeah. So Zara, I know it's very difficult to talk about this, but I think it's बहुत ज़रूरी है लोगों को पता होना चाहिए on how to deal with emergencies, and when you get into a situation, ऐसी situation में, what happened with you?
So my entire case was an emergency. Of course, I don't want to call out the doctors, but I want to call out the system, and I want women to know कि जब आप किसी इमरजेंसी में जाते हैं, जब आपको पता चलता है कि आप एक नॉर्मल चेकअप के लिए गए हैं लेकिन उसी दिन आपको डॉक्टर कहे दैट द चाइल्ड हैज़ टू बी डिलीवर्ड टुडे, दैट मीन्स कि ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, ये आपको पहले से नहीं पता होता. कुछ सिचुएशंस में पहले पता होता है, बट डॉक्टर्स क्योंकि उन लोगों के पास इतने नंबर्स ऑफ पेशेंट्स होते हैं तो उनके लिए यू जस्ट अनदर नंबर. A, you should always have your gynecologist's personal number. I never had that chance. B, you should always get an appointment fixed and then go. आपको wait ना करना पड़े, because a lot of women who wait for the appointments, there's a lot of pressure that is built up on the cervix and on the uterus. It is not a very desirable thing to sit and wait for long hours. C, you should always have a plan B, कि अगर खुदा ना खास्ता कोई इमरजेंसी हो जाए तो मेरा नेक्स्ट पर्सन कौन सा होगा जिससे मैं बात करूँगी. माई हस्बैंड और माई सिस्टर इन लॉ और माई सिस्टर और माई मदर हु नीड्स टू टेक डिसीजंस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मी व्हेन आई एम इन ट्रॉमा. बिकॉज व्हेन द न्यूज़ केम टू मी, immediately I was in complete utter shock. I was in the hospital alone and मैंने उनसे कहा मुझे 2 मिनट दे दी so that I can call my husband at least and I can ask my husband that Asad, I don't know, they're saying something, can you come? And meanwhile all of that was happening, I was immediately put into the delivery room and
You had to wait also.
Waiting was another thing. While I was in trauma, them giving me a piece of paper where I had to sign and मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था वो क्या कह रहे थे, because उस वक्त मैं इतनी पेन में थी, उस वक्त इतना ट्रॉमा था. उसमें बस उन्होंने मुझे एक पेपर दे दिया कि उसको साइन करें और बस चले ऑपरेशन थिएटर में. वो बाद में जब मैंने पढ़ा तो उसमें ये था कि वो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं, इफ़ आई डाई ऑन दैट टेबल. सो इफ I didn't read it because I was in a lot of pain. I just signed it. Asad was in a lot of shock. I think he also misread it or didn't read it properly. He just also signed it because he was like, "Acha, bas take it to the theater room and fix it up." And I think this is something that everybody needs to know, that you need to know the paperwork. You need to know what injections you need to get before going in for labor. You need to know what progesterones are. You need to, because your doctor might just not intentionally but शायद वो भूल जाएं क्योंकि उनके पास 10-12 औरतें बाहर और बैठी हैं.
So you just went for a checkup?
I just went for a checkup.
And this happened?
Yeah.
And within hours they said you have to deliver the baby?
Yeah.
And they made you sign this piece of paper?
Yeah.
And you had nobody with you?
Then I had Asad and my mother and my mother-in-law and everybody came in and they were like...
What were you going through, Zara? That must have been so tough.
And after all of that happened, उसके बाद फ्रिया सबसे ट्रॉमेटिक बात थी कि मैं उनको कॉन्स्टेंटली बोलती गई कि मैं एक डिप्रेशन की पेशेंट हूँ. मैं दवाइयाँ लेती रही हूँ पिछले साल, मैंने अब छोड़ दी हैं. मुझे एंग्जाइटी होती है, मुझे पैनिक अटैक्स होती है. प्लीज़ इफ़ द चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट गोना सर्वाइव, मुझे आप कोई दवाई दे दीजिएगा ताकि मैं सो जाऊँ, क्योंकि अगले दिन obviously we have to bury the child. So they didn't give me any medicine. So after the delivery, the entire night I was on the bed. My guests, my family was coming, seeing me. But मैं सारी रात सुबह 9 बजे तक, जब तक मैंने सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डेथ निकलवाना था, असद ने निकलवाना था, तब तक मैं जागी हुई थी. और ग्रीफ के बाद एक स्टेज आता है एंगर. आई वॉज एंग्री. आई जस्ट लॉस्ट माई माइंड.
पोस्ट ट्रॉमा नहीं हैंडल कर, बताते भी नहीं आपको?
नहीं, मुझे किसी ने नहीं बताया. एवरीबडी हैड जस्ट लेफ्ट मी. असद मेरे साथ थे वहाँ हॉस्पिटल सारी रात, दोस्त वगैरह आए हुए थे. मुझे समझ नहीं आई थी, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कौन कौन आया. आई रिमेंबर आसिम अजहर एंड हिज मदर, दे वर लाइक दिस. वो कॉन्स्टेंटली हमारे साथ थे. लॉट ऑफ माई अदर फ्रेंड्स, आसिम, रज़ा, बहुत सारे और लोग हमारे साथ कॉन्स्टेंटली मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए थे. Umar Anwar was there, Mahesh was there. Half of the people I don't even remember, but a lot of people came to meet me at that very moment. My entire family, my father and mother were in Lahore. They flew that night. और उस दिन बारिश हो रही थी, I remember. और मैं कह रही थी कि बारिश हो रही है तो हवा में, because I have massive flight एंग्जाइटी, तो मुझे हो रहा था कि अभी ये तो मेरे साथ तो जो होना है हो गया, बट अल्लाह मियाँ अम्मा बाबा को प्लीज़ अब कुछ ना करता. वो PIA में आ रहे थे. सो PIA के साथ एक और बहुत हम सबका डर है एविएशन के मामले में. तो मुझे था कि अल्लाह मियाँ ये नहीं करना, ये तो कर दिया, प्लीज़.
Because you think there's going to be a domino effect. जो इतना डर लग रहा होता है इंसान को. You don't want to lose anybody else, and you don't just
And I remember while I was in that, the head of PEDS came to me while I was in that situation, and he immediately
labor situation.
Yeah, and he said that I just want to let you know that 99% of the children who are born this way do not survive. And I was in that moment, I was looking at him, I was like, but हम कह रहे थे ना इंशाल्लाह. He's like, हाँ इंशाल्लाह
पॉजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए उस वक्त.
इंशाल्लाह कहते हैं, but हम आपको सिर्फ बताना चाहते हैं कि the moment he comes out he will die.
I find that very cruel also.
I find it very cruel.
I also remember
I mean there's a certain sort of factual deliberation that you should tell out your patients, but not while they're on their deathbed. Tell them that hold on, let the child come out, we're going to do everything we can.
I agree.
Even if I know, when I know, yes, this might not happen.
Because we know 22 weeks
is very difficult.
Is difficult, yeah. But not
just
impossible.
Be kind. It's not impossible. But just be kind.
Yeah.
Just tell me that, don't worry. Just, give it your best. And leave it on us.
I agree.
So, it was a lot of systematic trauma that I went through.
Yeah.
And then I didn't have these women groups.
Yeah.
जिनसे मैं बात करती about all of that.
Are there women groups? Yeah.
वही मुझे लगा शायद नहीं है ऐसे.
And that is exactly.
मुझे सर्च करना पड़ता कि women grief trauma groups. If you lose a child, how to behave, how to deal with grief. And I think this is very important to have, sessions and group of women talking to each other about it, how to take care of this. Because then when I read about it, there were hundreds of women who went through the same thing. And imagine उन लोगों के साथ क्या हुआ होगा.
And जब आप शेयर करते हो grief तो आप हल्का होता है because somebody else is in the same position.
उसके बाद मेरे पास कुछ कपल्स आए, असद के फ्रेंड्स थे, वो मेरे पास आए, उन्होंने आके मुझे बहुत हौसला दिया, अपनी स्टोरी शेयर की, और मैं हैरान थी कि now they have healthy children, but oh my God, they also went through something. और फिर उसमें जब आप एक और चीज़ होती है एंटी स्कैन. जब आप एंटी स्कैन कराते हैं उसमें आपके डाउन सिंड्रोम का चांसेस का पता चलता है. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को अबॉर्ट करा देते हैं क्योंकि उसमें एंटी स्कैन में अगर डाउन सिंड्रोम के चांसेस ज़्यादा हो. बट फिर मैंने मीमी देखी और मैंने कहा, उस मीमी फिल्म में ये बताया था कि डाउन सिंड्रोम एंटी स्कैन में था, बट जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ तो वो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल था. तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को ये एजुकेट करने की ज़रूरत है कि हर एंटी स्कैन 100% नहीं होगा. गो फॉर स्कैन्स अगैन एंड अगैन. गो फॉर things again, and at the end of the day it is your child with the Down syndrome or with the special mind or with autism or whatever. He is your child. He is as special as any of us. So we must not, I mean, that is again a very personal thing with parents, but we should all
embrace our children and special need children, especially
in whatever requirement they need.
A lot of people get embarrassed. They don't want to. They keep it a secret. They hide. It's a very difficult thing for a parent to raise a child with special needs. But I've seen so many special
strong
children
women,
and who are amazing.
Strong parents who make sure कि उनके बच्चे उतने ही equally treat किए जाएं जितने बाकी सब. And I think with parents जिनके बच्चे autistic हैं या जिनको Down syndrome है, उन parents वो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है पेरेंट्स मेरे लिए. उनकी जर्नी बहुत मुश्किल है, बट दे put up a smile on their face and they take on their children in their life, and I think it's just so commendable कि उन्होंने हर उस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट किया है.
What's commendable is you sitting here and sharing your story with so many people out there who have gone through similar things or may go through those things and be inspired. That's commendable, and I see a very strong confidence. I see a woman who's तुम तो बादशाह के बादशाह बन जाओगी इसके बाद. I feel it and I 100% know it.